In today's video, I want to talk about something that's randomly quite controversial in the needle felting community. My name is Charlotte Allen and you've reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. Today I want to talk about something that's very Marmite, I would say, in the needle felting community. Some people love them, some people absolutely hate them. And I just want to get your opinions on polystyrene balls, so let's have a little look. So I wanted to get your opinion on these polystyrene balls. Now I know that they can be a bit of bone of contention within the needle felting community. Some people absolutely love them and some people absolutely hate them with a proper passion. Now I do use polystyrene balls and I predominantly use them in my mobiles. The reason I use them is because first of all they're inexpensive, secondly they're a massive time saver, and you also get a lovely symmetrical spherical finish to them, whereas if you used wool you might not get quite as even a finish. Having said that, I can see why some people see the negatives in them. So I know some people have said if you felt them too much, the overall kind of structure starts to lose its integrity and then you start to get this kind of misshapen ball, and also if you post them in the post sometimes they might get a bit crushed and things like that. So I can completely understand why some people don't like them. And like with anything online, I think it really does depend on the quality of the product that you're buying. Now I buy my balls from a craft shop that have their own kind of website and then they also sell on eBay as well, and they're really quite strong and they do really hold their form really well even if I really stab into them. And as you can see here, now this is one of my balloons that kind of failed because I tried to stick it down and it didn't really work, and I've got all this horrible stuck glue to it now, but I can't bring myself to throw it away because I'm a massive hoarder. So eventually I'll find something to do with this and I'll try and utilize it somewhere else. But in the meantime, it's gone to the box that Felting Time forgot up until this video. So as you can see, I've used the bats on this and I've just felted it in using my medium needles just to really get that wool into the polystyrene. Now it's really nicely tightly felted and the integrity of the ball is still there, and I made this about a year ago and I really do felt the wool really deeply into the ball to make sure it's not going anywhere. So it has lasted the test of time and I've never had any negative feedback, although now I've said that I probably will get some, about using polystyrene balls in the mobiles for my customers. I've never heard anything about the balls turning up misshapen or anything like that. So I'm just really intrigued to get your opinions. I know some people use dryer balls instead and they work really well. I know my friend, not mentioning any names, Vicky, can't stand them because she can't stand the sound and the feel of felting the wool into them. It's one of those like cotton wool situations where it just makes her teeth go ugh. So I'd love to know what you think of them. Are they a great time saver and a really cost-effective way of adding volume to your needle felted sculpture really easily, or do you feel that you lose the quality of your work by using them and find them quite frustrating to use? And please let me know in the comments bar if there is another material that you use that is as cost effective as the polystyrene balls and also is that massive time saver in terms of getting that volume to your sculpture that we look for. So it's quite a short one today, but I'd be really intrigued to know your thoughts. So once again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It really helps me make more videos to help other people that are starting needle felting. If you found this video useful or you found it interesting, please feel free to like it, and I will see you tomorrow with more needle felting hints and tips. Bye.